Hey there, welcome back to Spirit of a Handyman. Today I want to show you what to do if you've got a door that doesn't catch at the latch. It's a super easy adjustment that you can fix in about 5 minutes with only these simple tools. Take a look.
He's got the spirit of a handyman, a handyman.
Obviously, step one is figure out if it's missing high or low. In this case, we are missing high. You also can see this rub mark, it's up here. So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove these screws and we're gonna cut out a little bit of this. It's kind of a soft pine. We use our hammer and flathead screwdriver for that. And then we'll reattach it. It'll be up a little bit and the door's gonna work awesome. All right, so I've got that opened up higher, but I can't put this in up any higher. All right, so here's the original location. I've obviously carved that out a little bit higher. So in order to get that in higher, you see that little metal catch. So the next thing is we need to cut out a little bit right here. That now gives us room to go from here to scoot up inside there. Oh, one more wackadoo right here. So that's our new catch point. Before I send in the second screw, we're just gonna test it out real quick. Yep. See how it's lining up right there in the middle. So you can see where our original screw hole was. There's not a lot of meat left, so I'm gonna angle this screw down so it bites a little bit. This screw obviously had even more meat, so that went great. So we just need to toe that one down. There you have it. How to adjust a door pull in just 5 minutes using tools you have around your house. These are not very fancy screwdrivers, probably from Harbor Freight. This is my son's tiny little, 8-ounce hammer. So totally a project that you can do. I believe in you, you should believe in you. If you have any tips or tricks, definitely put those in the comments section. And then stay tuned for more updates from Spirit of a Handyman.
He's got the spirit of a handyman.